Good afternoon, and welcome back to the Refreshing Point. Today I will be sharing with you how you can boost your protein at breakfast. It is super important to start your day with protein. People who eat a breakfast packed with protein have fewer cravings throughout the day and feel fuller longer. Eating something like cereal or toast without any protein usually leads to a crash by mid-morning, since carbohydrates digest faster than protein. A published study found that those who ate a protein-rich meal at breakfast reported to be satisfied longer than those who ate the same amount of protein at other meals. You can start by simply sprinkling some chia seeds on top of your oatmeal, or overnight oats when you take them out of the refrigerator in the morning. Not only does each ounce of chia seeds add about 5 grams of protein, but the delicious heart-healthy seeds add calcium, fiber, and some texture too. Try eating Greek yogurt with granola. While granola is a good source of carbohydrates and good fats, the Greek yogurt helps boost your morning protein intake by an additional 17 grams, which is the same amount you'd get from eating 3 eggs. Alter your morning breakfast bowls. While oatmeal has a decent 6 grams of protein per cup, quinoa beats it 2 times over with 12 grams of protein per cup. Quinoa also has more than double the magnesium as oatmeal, a mineral that plays an essential role in keeping muscles relaxed. To begin the transition, you might want to only substitute half of your oatmeal with quinoa. Try a banana almond butter sandwich. Top your favorite gluten-free or whole grain bread with about 2 tablespoons of organic almond butter, and layer that with slices of banana, which are packed with mind-focusing folate. 2 tablespoons of almond butter has about 7 grams of protein. If you would like a bigger boost, add a teaspoon of chia seeds to the butter. This will also provide the sandwich with a nice texture. Start your day off with buckwheat coconut porridge. Buckwheat isn't a grain, but actually a fruit seed that's related to rhubarb. This means it's suitable for those who are sensitive to wheat and gluten. You can guarantee yourself a protein and nutrient-packed meal. You can easily add 20 grams of protein by replacing 1/3 of your favorite pancake mix with protein powder. Try using a completely plant-based protein powder. Protein slows down the absorption of carbohydrates, which helps keep blood sugar levels stable. Not only does this reduce hunger, but it also wards off fat storage to help you get toned. As always, thank you for watching. Good day and good health.